To add Celo to Metamask, start by opening the Metamask browser extension and clicking on the Add Network button. This will prompt a new window to open where you can enter the network details. The Celo network has its own unique set of details that need to be entered, including the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and block explorer URL. The network name is Celo. The RPC URL is https://forno.celo.org. The chain ID is 42220. The currency symbol is Celo. And the block explorer URL is https://explorer.celo.org. Enter these details into the Add Network window and click the Save button to add the Celo network to Metamask. Once the network has been added, you can view your Celo account balance and transaction history. You can also add a custom token to the Celo network, such as the CUSD stablecoin, by clicking on the Add Token button and entering the token contract address. The contract address for CUSD is
0x8204205663491313310CDCB8F5C3BF7398.
After adding the Celo network and any custom tokens, make sure to test the network by sending a small transaction to ensure everything is working correctly. This will help you verify that the network has been added successfully and that you can send and receive transactions on the Celo network using Metamask. It is also important to note that you need to have some Celo in your account to pay for transaction fees on the network. You can purchase Celo on a cryptocurrency exchange or receive it from someone else. By following these steps, you can easily add the Celo network to Metamask and start interacting with the Celo ecosystem. This will give you access to a wide range of decentralized applications and services that are built on the Celo platform.